Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Kody Eutsler DUK here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful custom knife, guys. Overall length is going to be a little bit over 8 inches with a 3.5 inch long blade and 4.5 inch long handle. Really amazing design. Fat carbon fiber black camo from copper 44. Superconductor bolster inlaid like that. It's ridiculous nice pivot colors, hidden hardware. It's just fantastic. Look at this titanium backspacer, lanyard hold, floating pocket clip 3D mill titanium, and this blade, guys. Beautiful drop point blade, nicely crowned, hand rubbed satin finish, beautiful flipper. I mean, the sound. Guys, this is a special sound. Just beautiful. The grip, fantastic. Zero hot spots. I mean, just a gorgeous knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.